Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about new income tax rules. What are the major changes that it brought and when they came into force. So, coming to it enforcement, these new income tax rules came into force on 1st April 2022. That is from new financial year. 1st April 2022 they came into force. Today let's discuss about the major changes that this new income tax rules brought. First major change is that there will be a 30% tax on transfer of crypto assets. If you transfer crypto assets, there will be a 30% tax on it. Coming to second change, there will be no offsetting of virtual digital asset losses by virtual digital gains. So from now onwards there will be no offsetting of VDA losses by VDA gains. The third major change is that we can update our income tax returns filings if there is some error or mistake. So updating ITR is also provided by this new income tax rules. ITR means income tax returns. Fourth major change is that there will be a NPS reduction to state government employees. NPS deduction. Fifth change is that income tax on PF accounts means provident fund account. From now onwards there will be an income tax on provident fund account also. Sixth change is that no income tax returns needed for senior citizens. So no ITR needed for senior citizens. This is the sixth major change that new income tax rules brought. Now, seventh major change is that there will be a tax relief for differently abled persons. So these are the 7 major changes that were brought by new income tax rules. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, share and also like this video.